Hey, welcome to another episode of Weekend Advice with your girl Enda. This week was an electrical fault in my house which spoiled my refrigerator. I've not been doing a lot of cooking this week, but I have this chicken and I want to eat chicken stew with rice. And the funny aspect too is I'm out of gas. So for now, I've been thinking on how to cook. All I have now is my air fryer. Let's try to do something with it. Already I've spiced up my chicken, which is sitting for some time. So let's do something. Let's do something because I like trying out new things. Let's do something with our air fryer and see how it goes. I just hope and pray we get a good result, and I'm so positive that we'll get something better. Let's go. This air fryer liner was worth buying. So we're ready for our chicken. Light out at this moment. My God. Light is back. Let's get back to our cooking. Thank you for being part of this amazing journey. And yes, you made it so special, and it's always a vibe with your girl Enda. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep the vibe alive. Bye.